Hello DIY enthusiasts and home decorators. Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into a topic that can transform your living space: wallpaper installation. Whether you're new to wallpaper or a seasoned pro, these tips will help ensure a smooth and successful installation. Let's get started. 1. Gather your tools and materials. Wallpaper rolls, wallpaper adhesive, measuring tape, level, utility knife or wallpaper scissors, squeegee or smoothing brush, a straight edge or a plumb line. 2. Prepare your walls. Clean and smooth the wall surface to ensure a good adhesive bond. Repair any imperfections, such as cracks or holes. If the wall has existing wallpaper, remove it and clean the surface thoroughly. 3. Measure and cut carefully. Measure the height and width of your wall to determine the size of each wallpaper strip. Add a few extra inches to the measurements for adjustments and trimming. Use a straight edge and a utility knife or wallpaper scissors to cut the strips. Demonstrate measuring and cutting accurately. 4. Mix and apply adhesive. Follow the manufacturer's instructions for mixing the adhesive. Use a paint roller or brush to apply adhesive to the back of the wallpaper evenly. 5. Overlap and trim excess. Allow the wallpaper to slightly overlap at corners and edges. Use a utility knife or wallpaper scissors to trim excess, following the wall's contours. 6. Remove air bubbles and wrinkles. Gently smooth out any air bubbles or wrinkles using a smoothing brush or squeegee. In conclusion, installing wallpaper can be a rewarding DIY project when done correctly. These tips will help you achieve a professional-looking result.